states 50 and end by stipulation.
All right, 5-0?
Yes, sir.
All right, states 5-0, 50, DVD, I'm sorry, CD of 911 call. Got it.
Where's your emergency?
We need ambulance.
Where are you?
We're on 40th Street, and I don't know. We're in Northlake, 40th Street, and
Broadway?
Broadway, yeah, 40th Street,
Okay,
Broadway.
what's going on?
We have someone who's shot. He has a DSW.
He's shot?
He's not moving. Yes, he's not moving.
All
He's
right,
shot.
let
We
me
need
get the next
ambulance.
line. 1 moment.
Please hurry.
Yeah, I'm dropping it now.
This is Palm County Fire Rescue. What's the location of the emergency?
It's West Palm, 40th and Broadway. It's a male shot. He's not moving.
Do we know where he was shot? What part of his body?
I'm not sure. I can't tell. But he's shot. He's not moving.
And he's the only one that's injured there?
He's the only one that's shot. Yes, please.
Okay. We have help on the way to you. We're sending police and paramedics. And you say you can't tell where on his body he was shot, right?
I can't tell.
All right. And he's laying in the road on Broadway or on 40th Street?
40th and Broadway. There's a gas station, abandoned auto park, something. 40th Street and Broadway.
Okay. Again, is he on 40th Street or on Broadway?
We are on 40th Street and Broadway. It's the intersection. I hear police sirens.
All righty. West Palm will stage for you. Let us know when it's
All right, no problem, sir. Did you see the person who shot him?
Travis Rudolph.
Sir, he pulled off?
No, his name is Travis Rudolph. He shot at him.
Travis Rudolph shot at him?
Yes.
Okay, is he black, white, or Hispanic, Travis?
Black.
What was he wearing today?
I don't even know. He came out the house in no shirt.
Okay, what house does he live at? He lives at 40th and Broadway?
No, he lives in Northlake somewhere. I'm not sure.
Off like Northlake and up like Costa Riviera?
Like Lake Park, I don't know. Please, I think
Okay,
about
well,
this.
I understand they're going to come help and the medics are en route as well, but you're saying Travis Rudolph shot him here, so was he in a car?
He shot him around his neighborhood. He came outside with the gun and shot at him. Shot at us. He shot all of us.
Okay, but where did that happen? You guys drove to this location?
Yes, we were trying to get to the hospital, and we came down the street, and the car stopped working.
Okay, Northlake. Are you shot as well, sir?
I don't think I'm shot. I'm not shot. I just hurt.
Okay, do you know Travis's address?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, so you guys were hanging out at his house. He came outside, shot at you guys, and you drove to this location?
We came to talk to him. He came outside trying to fight. We were trying to get to the car, and he went back into the house, got a gun, came outside. We were in the car driving away, and he started to shoot at us.
Okay, male. How many other people are with you right now?
2, and my son, who was with us, I don't know where he's at. He drove away as soon as he started shooting. Yes, please.
Okay, you see the police?
Yes, we see the police.
All right, go ahead and flag them down, okay?
We flagged him down. Please. Right here. He's in the passenger. Please. Oh my gosh, I love you, bro. I love you.
Okay. So, Keishaun, you okay?
Yeah.
So now you recognize that call,
Yeah.
and obviously that's you seeking help for Sebastian. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Now, when you after you made that phone call, towards the end of the call, we can hear you say, "Yes, please." Or do you recall who you're referring to, who you're talking to at that point?
Police officer.
Okay. So at that point, law enforcement started to arrive where you guys were.
Yes.
Do you know at this point, at the point where you're on Broadway and law enforcement starts to arrive, do you know where Tyler is?
No.
When law enforcement arrived at the scene, what did they do with you guys? Like, did they separate you and Chris?
Yes.
What happened?
Separated us and then asked us what happened.
Okay. And did you tell them?
Yes.
Did you tell them that you had a gun that night and you took a gun over there?
No.
Did you tell them that you went over to the defendant's house to confront him about what he did to your sister earlier the previous day?
I told him I went to talk to him. Yes.
Did you tell them that Tyler had a gun on him?
No.
And why didn't you tell them that?
Because I didn't know he had a gun.
Do you recall who you spoke with?
Detective Vanderland.
I'm going to show you what is going to be State's Composite 12A through G. And Judge, I believe these are in by stipulation as well.
All right. Thank you. All right, 12A through G, as a composite exhibit of multiple photographs are admitted without objection.
Yes, Your Honor, and these are photos of the Cadillac that they were driving that night.
All right. So that's 7 photographs then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And permission to publish briefly, Judge?
You may. You may.
Okay, so we're going to look at, now, do you recall if any gunfire came through your front windshield?
I'm not sure. There's just so many shots. I don't know.
I'm going to show you this. Is this the car you were driving that night?
Yes.
Is this the passenger side of the car?
Yes.
Okay. And all of these defects that we see in the window and that we see on the door, were those defects there before you went to the defendant's house?
No.
Okay. Do you know what these defects are?
Bullet holes.
And that's the front passenger side?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recognize this side of the vehicle
Yes.
from this angle? And what side, what angle is that of the vehicle?
Back seats.
Okay, so that is the rear, behind the front passenger.
Yes.
Okay. Were these defects there before you went to the defendant's house?
No.
I'll show you what is D. What side of the car are we looking at right now?
Driver.
Okay. And that would have been the side that you would have been on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that yes?
Yes.
Okay. And do you see these defects in the window here?
Yes.
Were these defects in the car before you went to the defendant's house that night?
No.
Show you E. And we're looking at the rear driver's side. Any defects that you noticed there?
No.
I'm going to show you F. Now, do you see any defects to this back window?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you see that's wrong with this back window?
Bullet hole.
Okay. Is it shattered?
Yes.
Was it like this before you went to the defendant's house that night?
No.
And I'm going to show you the last one, which is G. And is that, you can't see the tag, but do you recall the tag that on that car, the mom's car? If I were to show it to you, because it's not showing.
If you would show it to me, yes.
Just my personal.
You may.
Just G, which is the tag. You recognize this tag on this car?
Yes.
Okay, is that the tag on the car that you were driving?
Yes.
Now, at this point, Keishaun, your stuff is still in the trunk of that car, right?
Yes.
Sebastian's bag is still in the back of that car, in that car, right?
Yes.
So everything that you guys put in the trunk of that car when you drove to the defendant's house that night and put in the trunk, it's still there,
Yes.
right?